Monster Power Sport is proudly offering this 2007 Yamaha V-Star 650. It's in great condition. All of our bikes are fully serviced and inspected upon delivery. You can check out this bike and more information on our website at www.monsterpowersport.com. There you'll find that we sell over 300 other used bikes in the same great condition as this one. You can fill out an application for financing if you're interested. It's available on our website, and the process only takes about 5 minutes. Should you have any questions on this bike or any of our others, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Our number here is 847-526-0500. And if there is something that you see and you like, please call us as soon as possible or stop on in person. This is our busy season, so they don't last long. Our address is 315 North Rand Road in Waukesha, Illinois.